Hello friends, let us continue the next example. Two numbers are selected at random without replacement. WOR means without replacement from the first 6 positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let X denotes the larger of two numbers obtained. Find expectation of X. Okay. See here, if you understand the meaning of this content, then the procedure is simple. A direct application of the definition of expectation of X. Here you are going to select two numbers. So n is equal to total number of outcomes is NC2, 6C2. Out of 6 first positive numbers, you have to select 2. That means 6 into, this is permutation. 6P2. Any two numbers may be C because first, okay, that is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial, that is 30. Now probability of X, let random variable X is, what is X? The larger of two numbers. The larger of two numbers. Which are those? Any two numbers. So it may be 2. It cannot be 1 because there is no other number which is less than 1. So X may be 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Only these 5 possible numbers. Now let X is equal to 2. Suppose 2 is the larger number. What is the observation? To understand this, you need not write this in exam. When X is 2 means it may be, first number may be 1, second number may be, while selecting among the two numbers, one may be 1, another may be 2, or first may be 2, second may be 1. So the larger number is 2 can happen in these two outcomes. So X is equal to 3. So one may be 1, another may be 3. Okay. One may be 2, another may be 3, or first one may be 3 and second one may be 1, like this. X is equal to 4. So 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 2 and 4, 1. When X is 3, larger number is 5. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5. 5, 5 cannot be. See, 5, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. I hope you understand this. 2, 5, 2. 5, 2 and 5, 1. Similarly, larger number is 6 means 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6 and 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 1. If you understand this much, then you will be very easily find the remaining what is required. So probability of x. So probability of x is equal to 2 is given by total, that is 30. Among these 2 are favorable. 2 by 30 it is. So probability of x is equal to 3 is how many? 4 by 30. 4 by 30. Probability of x is equal to 4, that is how many? 6. 6 by 30. Probability of x is 5, that is 3, 8. 8 by 30. Probability of x is equal to 6, that is 10 by 30. 6, 12, 20, 30. So it is a probability distribution. Now expectation of x. Therefore expectation of x is summation x into px, that is x into pi or x into px, that is x is 2 into 2 by 30 plus, or if you construct one more column there, directly you can write there 3 into 4 by 13, 30 plus 4 into 6 by 30, 4 into 6 by 30, 5 into 8 by 30, 6 into 10 by 30, 4 plus 12 plus 24 plus 40 plus 60 divided by 30. So what is the sum? That is 16, 40, 100, 40, this is 40 plus 40, 80, 140 it is, 140 by 30, 14 by 3 is 3, 4 the 2 by 6, 2 by 3 or 4.66 reckoning. 13th question. Let x denotes the number the sum of the numbers obtained when 2 fair dice are rolled. Sum of the numbers when 2 fair dice are rolled. Find the variance and standard deviation of x. You have to find mean, variance and standard deviation of x. Let, as you know, number of this is 36, number of outcomes in the sample space. Okay, let random variable x is sum of the numbers, that is x may be 2, may be 3, so on up to maximum both may be 6, that is 12. Okay. Probability of x is equal to 2 is how much? 1, 1. It is possible only when both are 1. That is 1 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 2. This is possible. Not 2, 3. This is possible when first one is 1, second one may be 2, first one may be 2, second one may be this, that is 2 by 36. Similarly, probability of x is equal to 4. This is possible when 1 3, 2 2, 3 1. That is 3 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 5. This is 1 4, 2 3, 3 2 and 4 1. 4 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 6. That is 1 5, 2 4, 3 3 and 4 2, 5 1. 5 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 7. 7 means 1 6, 2 5 and 3 4, 4 3 and 5 2, 6 1. 6 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 8. This is 1 6 cannot be possible, and 2, it starts with 2. 2 6, 3 5, 4 4 and 5 3, 5 3, 3 5, isn't it? So 5 by 36. How much it is? 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 3 5 and 6 2, isn't it? One minute. Okay, it is correct. Probability of x is 9. X is 9. It reverses actually. 4, x is 10. X is 10. 3 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 11. That is 2 by 36. And probability of x is equal to 12. 1 by 36. Okay. Now probability distribution. Probability distribution is x. No, it requires big space. X 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 12. Okay. So probability of now is 1 by 36. These are pi. 3 is 2 by 36. 4 is 3 by 36. 6 is 4 by 36. 5 by 36. 7 is 6 by 36. 8 is 5 by 36. 4 by 36. 10 is 3 by 36. 11, 2 by 36. 1 by 36. Okay. So x into bi. Expectation of x we have to find. So x into pi. So this is 2 by 36, 6 by 36, 12 by 36, 20 by 36, 30 by 36, 42 by 36, 40 by 36, 36 by 36, 30 by 36, 12 by 36. Okay, expectation of x is summation of x pi or xi pi or x px. This is equal to the sum of all this. That means, see here, it should be 14, 8, okay. 2, 6, 12, 30, 20, sum that. Please verify that. If you sum this, okay, then divided by 36 means you will get 7. It is calculator work, okay, you only finish. And expectation of x squared, summation of x square pi is equal to, one more column you construct, x square I pi, that is multiply this 4 by 36, 4 by 36, 18 by 36, 48 by 36 and 100 by 36, 180 by 36, 7, 14, 1, 28, 1, 29, 294, 36, isn't it? So this is 320, 320 by 36, this is 54, 5, 27, 32 by 36 and 300 by 36, 22 into 11, 11 to the 22, 11 to the 22 plus 2, 24, 36, 144, 36. If you sum this, you will get 987 by 18. After cancellation, you will get 54.833. Verify this, okay. And variance of x will be, this is arithmetic mean, okay, this is mean, expectation of x or mean. Variance of x is expectation of x minus expectation of x whole squared, that is 54.833 minus 7 squared, that is 5.833, 5.833. Standard deviation of x is root of 5.833 is equal to 2.415. Okay, you verify that values. A class has 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 21, 14, 17, 19, 20, 18, 16, 20. 17, 16, 19 and 20, etc. One student is selected at random. Write the probability distribution of x. X means the selected student. Find mean and variance and standard deviation. Actually x is age of student. Okay, age of the student, not student. Let x be the age of a student. The frequency distribution is because some values are repeated here. Minimum most is 14. I work out here 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Okay, so frequencies are number of repetitions. Two students whose age is 14, 15 only 1, 16 2, 17 3, 18 1, 19 2, 20 and 21 is 1. Okay. These are the frequency distribution. As I told you, what is the total? Total is 50. This is total. See, if you divide each frequency by the total frequency, you will get probability of x. So 2 by 15 it is. 1 by relative frequency. This is nothing but relative frequency, that is same as probability. X into px. What is asked? Mean. Mean is expectation of x is summation x into px. X into px, that is 28 by 15. 15 by 15, that is 32 by 15, that is 51 by 15, 15 and 18 by 15, 38 by 15 and 60 by 15 and 21 by 15. So the total is 263 by 15. So this is 263 by 15 is equal to 17 by 17.53. Then variance. To find variance, you require summation expectation of x square, that is summation x squared px, that is x squared into px, that is, again you have to multiply this. Please multiply. Okay, 14 into 28 divided by 15, etc. If you find, how much you will get? Will you do that? 14 into 28 divided by 15, 15 into 15 divided by 15, 16 into 38 2 divided by 15, and then if you sum, you will get 312.2 after dividing by 15. So 312.2. Variance of x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. 312 minus 17.53, 4.78. Okay, standard deviation of x is 2.19. Please work out that. In a meeting, 70% of the members favor and 30% oppose a certain proposal. A member is selected at random and we take x is equal to 0 if he opposed and x is equal to 1 if he is in favor. Find expectation of x and variance of x. It is given only. If he is given that x is equal to 0 means opposite, probability of x is equal to 0 is 70% or 0.07. X is equal to 1 is he is in favor. Opposite means this is 3 not 7. Okay. Therefore, the probability distribution, actually very simple question it is, probability distribution of x is x and px. X is 0, x is 1, 0 is 0.3, 0.7. Okay, now expectation of x is, two more columns you can write here, summation of x px or xi pi you can write. See, 0 plus 1 into 0.7 is equal to 0.7. Expectation of x squared is summation x square px is equal to 0 plus 1 square into 0.7, that is 0.7. Variance of x is expectation of x square is 0.7 minus 0.49, 0.21. So standard deviation of x is root of 0.21. So only this much, you need not even write the column again. The mean of the numbers obtained on throwing a die. having written 1 on 3 faces, 2 on 2 faces, 5 on 1 face is, here each faces are not written as 1 to 6. See, x may be, which one, written 1, 2 and 5 only. Now probability distribution of x is 1, 2 and 5. So totally 6 faces. A die having written 1 on 3 faces, 3 out of 6. Probability of 1 is 3 by 6. Probability of 2 is 2 by 6. And 5 is 1 by 6. Okay. So x into px is 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Its total is 7, 12. 12 by 6 means 2 it is. So answer is 2. Okay. Suppose that 2 cards are drawn from a deck of cards. Let x be the number of aces obtained. Then expectation of x is, see, x be the number of aces means x is number of aces, maximum and minimum. So x can take 0, 1 or 2, isn't it? Probability of x is equal to 0. See here, 4 ace cards, 48 non-ace cards. Number of aces is 0 means this is, what is n here? N is equal to 52 C2. Okay. No ace cards means 4C0, and means multiplication, 42C2 divided by 52C2. What is this? 1 is 48 into 47 divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial divided by 52 into 51. Okay. So how much you find that? This is 13, 4 13s, 4 12s. Okay. X is equal to 1 means 4C1 into remaining 48C1 divided by 52C2. Similarly, x is equal to 2 means 4C2 only divided by 52C2. So by using calculator, see, by calculator you can get these values. Once again you verify that. See, x values are 0, 1 and 2. Probability of x is x is 0, 1, 1, 2, 8, 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 9, 2 divided by 6 divided by 1, 3, 2, 6. expectation of x. Then expectation of x is, see, this will become 0 plus 192 plus 12, 2 into 6 divided by 1326. That is 204 by 1326. Is it 2 by 13? Maybe 2 by 13. Okay. You go on, simplify. Two cards are drawn simultaneously without replacement from a pack of 52 cards. Find mean and variance and standard deviation of number of kings. So here also calculation part you have to complete. Let random variable x is number of king cards. So x may be 0, 1 or maximum 2. Okay. What is probability of x is equal to 0? No king cards. If 4 cards are king means non-king cards are how much? So 48C2. See, this is without replacement case. If it is replacement, then you have to find that separately. That is probability of king and probability of non-king separately, and 1 by 4, that is 48 by 52, 4 by 52, like that, 1 by 13 and 12 by 13. See, this is 52 by 52 C2. So this will be, if you compute 188 by 221. You compute, okay, 48 into 47 divided by 2 factorial. Similarly 52 by 51 into 2 factorial. Probability of x is equal to 1 is, x is equal to 1 is 32 by 20, 2 to 1. X is equal to 2 is 1 by 221. Expectation of x is x into px, that is, see here, x 0 1 2, 188 by 221, 32 by 221, 1 by 221. Okay, xpx is 0, 32 by 221, 2 by 221. The sum is 34 by 221. X squared px, square of this is again 0. So this is square into this, 32 by 221 it is. And this is 4 by 221, 36 by 221, isn't it? So expectation of x is summation xpx, this is already available, 34 by 221. Expectation of x square is 36 by 221. Variance of x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square, that is if you work out 6800 221 after substituting and taking LCM and all, this is, and standard deviation will be root of this is equal to 0.37. You have to verify this. Okay.